Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll learn how to multi-stream to Vimeo with Switchboard. Let's get started. Log into your Vimeo account, select Live Events. Fill out the event details. Press the blue Manage Production button located at the top right. Select the option Stream via RTMP from the drop-down menu. The RTMPS URL and stream key for the Vimeo event will display. Next, we'll go back and forth between Switchboard and Vimeo as we copy and paste the stream details from Vimeo into Switchboard. With Switchboard open, navigate to the desired destination group where you want to add Vimeo. Press the Add Destination button, select New Destination. Choose Vimeo from the menu. Return to Vimeo. Click to copy the RTMPS URL. Go back to Switchboard and paste it into the top field. Return to Vimeo, click to copy the stream key, go back to Switchboard, and paste it into the second field. Press Next and Finish. As you can see, we have successfully added Vimeo as a destination into our Switchboard account. We are almost ready to go live, but I want to take a moment and point out the Preview Stream option on Vimeo. With this option turned on, we'll be able to see the stream before pressing Go Live on Vimeo. For the purposes of this video, we'll leave the Preview option turned off because we want Vimeo to go live as soon as it receives the stream from Switchboard. Now we are ready to start multi-streaming. We've started sending video from our encoder to Switchboard. We can see the video is coming through on the Switchboard confidence monitor. The status indicator is green and receiving. To multi-stream, check the box to bulk select the destinations in this group, then press Go Live at the top. After a few seconds, we can see that we are multi-streaming to our destinations, including Vimeo. We can see that Vimeo is successfully live streaming our content from Switchboard. Great job! Now you know how to multi-stream to Vimeo and other destinations in your Switchboard account. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos here on YouTube, and step-by-step instructions can be found in our Help Center. Thanks for watching and happy multi-streaming!